Hey guys, this is Annie Margarita Yang, back with another Annie Yang financial video for you today. Today, I will be reviewing the StudioShot AI, which is the 5th video in this series of reviewing AI headshot generators. I will be paying out of my own pocket for all of these different generators to see which ones come up with the more realistic looking, natural looking headshots. Reason being, a lot of college students cannot afford to pay $300 to $500 for a professional headshot, but I still want college students to come out and get a job very quickly. So they do need to brand themselves. And I'm thinking that maybe one of the more affordable options and solutions is to use an AI headshot generator based on your own pictures. So I'm trying all of these out with my own money because I don't really take sponsorships on this channel. I feel like if I take a sponsor, they usually try to limit my freedom of speech by dictating what I can and cannot say, and also dictating when in the video I should be saying the things that they want me to say. So I'm just gonna pay for all of these services out of my own pocket and then give you like my genuine, honest opinion, and also use the same photos to input for each of them so that you can actually see how the photos turn out if we use the same input for all of them. Okay, so today I will be doing the StudioShot AI. And what's interesting is all of the other sites tell me how many pictures I will be getting. I pre-did this research ahead of time before doing this video, and this one doesn't tell me how many pictures I will be getting. I tried to look on the site, but I couldn't find. So let's just see. Maybe I didn't do enough research. Okay, so this is all just a one-page site, so I'm just gonna like keep scrolling down. Okay. She's gonna upload some photos, choose a style, and then, oh, from 50. I didn't see that. Okay, let me fix that. 50 plus. All right. And because I'm just one person, I will be getting this. This is the only plan I qualify for. I don't have a team of people. So let's order this one. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to go with, I think they have a, I thought they had a LinkedIn background. Let me see. Which one should I go with? Now I'm at a loss. I can only pick one style. I guess I want to be an executive because I'm a CFO in the making. All right. Single payment, no subscription. Okay, I'm just going to pay. Was it really $39? Is that what I wrote down on? No, it was. Oh, there's a discount. Right now there's a discount with the coupon code LAUNCH25. Okay. Okay, so it says close-up photos, variation in background, different facial expressions. Yes, I understand. They want 12 to 25 pictures. Mine are not selfies. I think only about 3 of them are selfies. Let me see. Anyway, let's upload these. Okay, skin tone, I think I'm S1. Eye color, they don't even offer black. Interesting. Hair length. Okay, below the ears. interesting. They're not offering me as many options as the other sites have offered me. Like, for example, the other sites have asked me for my ethnicity, and the other sites also had black as an eye color. This one in particular asked for hair length, but it's interesting that the only two options are above the ears and below the ears. Like, what about shoulder length or, longer than shoulder length? I would think there should be more options for hair. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think out of all of them, this one takes the longest. It better be worth it if it's taking that long. It says to check back in 1 to 2 business days. The other options come back in maybe at most 3 hours. So, okay, even though this is the 5th video that I'm making, it's probably not going to be the 5th one that I'm uploading because of the wait time. Okay, I will see you guys in a few seconds after I cut this after waiting 2 business days. Okay guys, I just got the results for StudioShot actually yesterday, but because yesterday was a Saturday and I don't work on Saturdays, I didn't get to record. I actually did take a sneak peek of the photos. This is the only one where I actually got a sneak peek before I recorded. The others were actually my genuine first reaction. So this one, it's not a website. It actually just downloads straight to your computer as a zip file, interestingly enough. And then let me just extract these files just a moment. Okay. Oh, that's got so much open. Okay. Extract. Okay. So I'm going to just have to show you guys one by one because there's no way for me to show you a gallery version that's bigger than the extra large. So you're gonna notice a lot of these photos, they have some sort of it's not completely smooth. At least it's hard for me to say. It looks kind of like me, but something's off in these photos over and over again. And I think part of the reason is because if you take a look, while I do have double eyelids, they're not that prominent. And the photos here, in almost every photo, they do this very prominent double eyelid. My double eyelids, you can't really tell. They're more closer to each other. I definitely don't have monolids, right? But these, they definitely make it far more accented, I think. I don't know what's the word for it. But some of them do look like me. A handful do, but a handful don't. But overall, I think the quality of the photo isn't that great. Let's see. The eyes are a bit weird here. It got messed up. Again, with these double eyelids, which is the thing that makes it look not like me. The teeth as well. I think a huge thing about what makes me look like me is my smile, because when I smile, you guys can see my gums. The tops of my gums when I smile, even if I'm not deliberately trying to go like this right now, but even if I just did a smile like this, I can't help but show my gums. That's just the way my mouth is, right? But in all of these photos, you can see this woman has an overbite, and then the gum line is almost not visible. The lips pretty much line up straight with the top of the teeth. This smile looks more like mine rather than this one here. And this is why it would look more like me than a different photo. This definitely doesn't look like me. Definitely not this one. Yeah, so they gave me 47 photos. Let me take a look. Let's see. Which one was that again? StudioShot? That sounds about right. So they're supposed to give me 50, but they gave me 47. Yeah. Well, a handful of them do look like me, but a handful of them don't. So I guess in terms of like how StudioShot compares to all of the others that I've reviewed so far, this one is kind of like on the fence. It's kind of like in the middle. It's not like definitely yes, try out this service, but it's like you can give it a shot to see if it works well for you. Because I reviewed so many. Like today, I have recorded 4 of them, and which one was it that came back? I think it was Profile Bakery. Profile Bakery came back and said, "Oh, out of this batch of 120 photos, only 2 to 5 are going to look like you," and that's expected. So then I'm like, okay, they're trying to set my expectations, basically to lower my expectations. But, some of these AI generators, they give you like maybe 50% will look like me. Like try it on AI. A lot of them looked like me. Many of them did. It was really easy to pick them out. But then like the others, maybe 25%, Profile Bakery, 5%. And this one, definitely an easier pick than Profile Bakery. And then the other one I just recorded that I have to upload is Pro Photos, right? Pro Photos is definitely like a no-go because they made me look so white. I was unrecognizable. Okay, if you're enjoying these reviews and you want to check out the results from the other AI headshot generators, be sure to head on over to AnnieYangFinancial.com and then click on the book resources section at the top. After that, click on, scroll down over to chapter 16, click on the AI headshot generators article. And this will be where I will continually update for the next 2 weeks the results from all of the different AI headshot generators. So be sure to check back in about 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I will sort this actually from absolutely best. I highly recommend it. Check it out. Put your money into this to the worst. Don't buy it. Totally waste of your money. If you enjoy these videos, if you find my career advice to be helpful, then I encourage you to please financially support my channel by buying my book, The 5-Day Job Search. It's available here on AnnieYangFinancial.com. If you're on the fence on whether you actually want to buy the book, you can actually listen to the audiobook for free. You can go to the top and click audiobook and put in your first name, your email address, and you can download a copy of the 5-Day Job Search. But after listening to the book, you're going to realize, wow, this book is chock full of so much information because this book has 49 chapters. And the way to really get the best results out of this book is to read a little bit and then implement. Read a little bit and then implement. So that's why actually, while the audiobook is great, the best format for referencing it after you finish reading the book is to get the paperback copy, because rather than having to sift through 5 hours of audio to find what you were looking for, you can easily reference the book by flipping to any page that you need to get the information that you were thinking of getting. So to get the signed paperback copy, head on over to the homepage and click this orange button, Buy My Signed Copy Now. And after you add the book to your shopping cart, you can use the coupon code WIN. That's WIN to get a 10% off discount on the signed paperback copy. That's it for you guys today. If you really enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos in the future, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.